how to download Microsoft Word on Mac. So there are 2 to 3 options that you can try. The first one is the most simple one. Go to the App Store, and in App Store we have a search bar on the top left. Click on that and type in Microsoft Word. And after you've done that, you can see we have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and 365 as well. So I'm going to select Word and download on Get. After I click Get, I can select Install, and to do this I will have to put in my Apple ID password. After I've put in my password, if it's right, it will accept and then start the installation. So it's going to download. We'll just give it a few minutes. But while that is happening, you can also check out Microsoft 365. So this is a subscription based model, so you have to pay from time to time according to their intervals. So basically you can use all of Microsoft Office, but you'll have to pay for it all the time. But if you download Word, let's say you just want Word, you can pay for just Word and you can just keep using it, right? So as you can see, it says open, which means that Word has installed. I'm going to click open over here. You can also check it out in apps. Give it a few seconds. And here you can see it has opened up. So you have multiple options over here. So if you want Microsoft 365 Personal, you can have it for one person with 1 TB of cloud data for a year. That is going to be whatever it is in your currency. And then you also have start 1 month free trial, or if you have a subscription, you can just sign in. So basically you will have to pay for any of it to work, which is a bit disappointing. Secondly, I also have told you about Microsoft 365, but if you don't want to do any of that, you can go to office.com. So this is basically going to act as a free option. After signing in, it is automatically going to take me to Copilot, which I don't need. But then what you can do is come to apps and more over here and click on Word, and you can use Word for free over here. So let's say I want to create a new blank document. I'll have to log in again, of course. And here you can see I have Microsoft Word, which I can use for free without having to pay. Of course, I'll have to download my files separately. It will also save your data to the cloud as long as you don't fill up the free data limit that it has. But yes, you can do it. You can also use Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote and whatnot. And of course, if you don't want to do this, just use Google Sheets. It's a lot more easier and convenient. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.